Hey guys, Dr. Jordan here. I'm going to show you hip C.A.R.S. This is a great exercise for gaining mobility in the hip while maintaining a stable core and a neutral spine. So you're going to go down on all fours like this. We're going to try and be in a neutral position here, so we don't want to be too arched. We don't want to be too curved, just a nice neutral position. What you're going to do from here is you're going to take one leg and you're going to go in a circle. So you're going to pick a direction, going one circle like this. You're going to go 5 one direction, then you're going to go 5 the other direction. If you want a challenge, you can take a book or something, place it on your low back. This is going to help give you feedback if you're tipping while you do this. So as I do this circle, I want to maintain that flat book without letting it tip and drop into the ground like that. Give it a go.